Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. It always seems impossible until it's done. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. For to be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived, it is what difference we have made to the lives of others that will determine the significance of the life we lead. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies. Do not judge me by my successes, judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. I never lose, I either win or learn. There can be no keener revelation of a society's soul than the way in which it treats its children. As I walked out the door toward the gate that would lead to my freedom, I knew if I didn't leave my bitterness and hatred behind, I'd still be in prison.